my friends, we're going to see how this goes. I want to try and make a pin, a piece of jewelry, using my POLKADOODLES Eleganza stamp set. I have some acetate. This is thermal transparency film. I bought that online, but you can get it from your office supply stores. And I'm going to just use this one stamp. This is the slick side of the transparency. These have a little bit of texture on the opposite side. I'm going to stamp on the slick side and color on the textured side. I'm going to use some Stays On Jet Black ink because it's permanent. You can also use archival ink from Ranger. Now that they're stamped, we're going to turn it upside down and color once again on the textured side. There isn't really much blending you're going to be able to do with Copic markers. You could give this a faux watercolor technique by dropping some alcohol ink on the surface as well, and then spraying it with some rubbing alcohol, and it kind of scatters. Which really is a great technique, but let's just stick with what we know. I've got B02 and BV01 as my two colors. And you're going to see how wonderful that purple works with the blue. You really do not need the dye for doing something like this because you're not going to really see the edges because of the clear plastic. But you're going to want to fussy cut these out. All right, I have some things here ready to go to make our pin. I have some pin backs, of course. I have my pieces of acetate that I've already cut and colored. And I die cut some different leaves. And then to make a base for our pin, I just cut this simple 1 3/4 inch, whatever kind of square this is. And so what we're going to do is, like I said, we're going to use this for our base. And you're also going to want some pop dots. So what I like to do is start with the pop dot that's going to be in the center, or the flower, I should say, that's going to be in the center of our pin. And since this is a transparency, I am going to use a small circle. This is a 3/4 inch. So you have a lot of working time with this, and you can remove it, which I'm going to do, to add the leaves that are going to go behind this flower. Get a little glue happy. Once this is finished, you're not going to really be able to Our piece looks like this for the moment. It's stinking cute. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a pin back. Now these happen to have a self-adhesive strip. We don't really need that. But I am going to make sure that this puppy stays put. So I'm going to add some of my glossy accents to that. Then eyeball it for center. So here you have it, the finished pin. Altogether, this took me maybe 20 minutes from start to finish to complete. Once again, the stamps are from POLKADOODLES, and this is called the Eleganza set. And I used an acetate, and I used some die cuts and punches. And there you have it, a cute little pin. You could put this on your purse. You could wear it on your lapel or on your shirt if you wanted to. It's up to you. But here you go. Here's just another idea of how to use your stamp sets in ways that you might not have thought of in the past. If you'd like to be, and you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to also visit the POLKADOODLES YouTube channel. I'll leave a list of the YouTube video team down below in the description box. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Have a great day, everyone. Stamp happy. Be a blessing. Bye for now.